Understanding jammed gears, an English idiom explained. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to decode the meaning behind the phrase, jammed gears. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding idioms like this is key to sounding like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and get those mental gears turning. When we talk about jammed gears, we're using an idiom that comes from the world of machinery. Gears are wheels with teeth that interlock to make machines work. If gears are jammed, they're stuck and the machine can't operate smoothly. In everyday English, when we say someone has jammed gears, we mean they're experiencing a disruption or difficulty that's preventing them from moving forward or functioning effectively. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. The project was going well, but the unexpected legal issues threw a wrench into our plans and jammed our gears. I was prepared for my presentation, but the questions from the audience really jammed my gears. In these sentences, jammed gears symbolizes a hindrance or obstacle that causes a setback or confusion. Context is everything with idioms. The phrase, jammed gears, can be used in various scenarios, from casual conversations to more formal settings. However, it's crucial to gauge the situation to decide if an idiom is appropriate. In more formal or professional contexts, it might be better to use words like obstacle or setback instead. We hope this explanation helps clear up any confusion and adds a new phrase to your English repertoire. Remember, idioms like jammed gears can add color to your language and help you convey ideas in a more vivid way. Keep practicing, and don't let anything jam your gears in learning English. See you in the next video.